Hello Kingdom TV. So today, me and my friend are gonna be making peanut butter cookies. So that's the oil, and then this is water. And now we're gonna
egg.
She's gonna do the egg. And now we're gonna mix it. So we're gonna take turns. I'll go first, and then. Now we got it all mixed up, and now we're gonna form them into little balls and put. This is the reference, and we're gonna put 6 in a row.
Yeah.
So yeah. Oh, I thought it would be more sticky.
Oh yeah, really, actually.
6.5 hours later.
The whole sheet filled with cookie dough.
Make sure you have an adult preheat the oven to 350 degrees. The cookies will stay in for 10 to 12 minutes.
While our cookies are in the oven, we're gonna unwrap the Reese's
And the Hershey Kisses.
They're out of the oven. You want to put the Reese's and Hershey Kisses right on. So I'm gonna do the Reese's and she's gonna do the Hershey Kisses.
Oh, that's like so sweet.
Is that good? Is that good or more?
Yeah, it looks so good. These are like Christmas cookies.
We do usually make these on Christmas.
I'm spreading them out. These are Christmas cookies. Yeah, why aren't you spreading them out? That looks so cool. No, you're making me think that tomorrow's night Christmas.
These are really good for Christmas, guys.
Yeah. You're making me that tomorrow night is Christmas. I feel like there's more, no. It looks like a cookie you would see in a
Last
store.
one.
Boobly boo.
You're done.
Look at it.
Tiny bit of sugar on all of them.
We're
gonna try one of each.
cookie.
So first, I'm gonna try Reese's.
I'm gonna try the I'll just go Reese's first because you're doing. Me too.
Okay.
I'm doing a chocolate. It's like melted. Hot. I'm doing this small one.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
That's really good. That's so good, guys. That's a double thumbs up. I rate it a 9 out of 10. 9.5.
A 9 out of 10. An 8 out of 10 because I don't really like Reese's, but that was really good. But still,
Hershey
Hershey Kiss. I'm gonna try this one.
3, 2, 1. This is so good. Mine was a 9.
Mine was an 11 out of 10. Mine was a 12 out of 10.
I like the the Hershey Kisses, but the peanut butter just goes good so well. So this was a 9 for me, and then that was a 9.5. Actually, no, this was a 10, and that was a 9.
This was 20, that was a 30.
Out of what, 100?
No. 1,500 is that one, and 2,000 is that one.
This one was 11 out of 10, and then this one was like an 8 out of 10.
Those were really good. You guys should definitely make them at your house.
And it's good for Christmas.
Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed our video.
Click a subscribe button.
And click the notification button for new videos.
Bye.
Bye.